This video will show you how to replace the rear sliding door window switch on a Chrysler Town & Country. This will be located on your rear sliding door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Let's gain access to the switch. We can see it right on the door panel here. We're going to start removing that. Now this will have a couple locking tabs in here. We want to carefully pry it out, but keep in mind there will be a wiring harness. Typically when I try to pry these out, I like to use a plastic trim tool, but you may find that it's hard to squeeze it in between the switch panel and the door panel. If that's the case, you can also use a small flat blade screwdriver. We'll carefully make our way in, being careful not to cause any damage. Now, as you can tell, I am prying this out. I can see a couple of my locking tabs. Let's continue on here. Along the inboard side is that electrical connector that I mentioned. We do have a locking tab. Just go ahead and squeeze that in and we'll pull it out of place. Of course, a quick inspection for corrosion along both ends there. I don't see any. That looks good. There it is, friend. Prior to installing any part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. For this, I'm using a clean rag. I don't need any types of detergent. I'm just going to give this a quick wipe and a close inspection. We want to make sure nothing's damaged. This looks good. All right, it's time to install the window switch. Let's go ahead and get this in position. Now, the first thing we want to do is start with our electrical connector along the back side. We're going to line it up, press it in, listen for an audible click, and give it a tug. We want to make sure that is secured in place. Continuing on, we're going to slide this into the door panel, confirm it's properly seated. Now, as you can tell looking at this, it's not fully seated yet. Continue on until it is. Double check to make sure it's secured in place. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality of the window switch. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.